me 30 seconds to show you how to make 20 bucks every 5 minutes, and it is so easy. It literally takes no effort, and you can have this up and running before the end of today. So first up, go to Google Translate, put in the language that you speak, and then put in the language that you want to translate that to. So when you click on this little microphone here, it's going to translate everything you say from this language into this language. And this is good because you don't need to be fluent in one language or any language. You can now speak in multiple languages. Now, here's how you make the money. Head on over to peopleperhour.com, click on Writing and Translation, and then click on Translation. As you start scrolling through, you'll see a lot of these aren't even over 500 words, so it's not going to take you long at all. Prices range from 35 bucks, 85, 185, and more. Now, that's not per hour, that's per gig. If you charge a little bit less, you'll get a lot more gigs. And if you want to know how I'm making 5 figures a month from home, then go ahead and comment jobs down below, and I'll get in touch with you with some free training. Let's get it.